I'm so much exciting to tell about my relate my English journey. What kind of stuff I just use to improve my English communication. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, my name is Mrs. Richa Jain. I am from Great India, live in Delhi, and you're the most welcome these sessions. Awesome Blossom English Learner. Thank you so much, and I hope you all will be happy to get my videos which I'm uploading nowadays on daily basis, not a single. Sometimes I also upload it thrice in a single day. So thank you so much, a lot of loves from your side. Thank you so much to appreciate me. Okay, so when I just started my English journey, and just started my English journey before 15 months. Okay, and yeah, that was 15 months has completed now on my English journey. So my first application is Buddy Talk. When I just got that applications, and that application recommended by my son also said to me that he also suggested to me, Mama, you are really crazy to speak in English. Just try to use that application, and that applications may be gonna help you. And by that applications you also can interact with the people one-on-one. You also can interact a conversation one persons. Okay, so by that things, if you are comfortable, you can continue your talks, otherwise just escape it. Just try once. He motivated to me a lot, and I just thought, okay, let's see. I just tried. Okay, so I just use that applications from around a couple of months or 3 months, I can say 3 or 4 months. 3 months I just used that applications, Buddy Talk, and that was my first application. And I just talk a lot of people one-on-one. It's not necessary that how many courses you are attending. It's really important that if you are only one conversation to each other, and that was conversation only and only should be in English. Like, you have to know that what kind of purpose you have while using any applications, any pills. Okay, so don't distract your mind whenever you are using any platform and you have purpose to learn English communications or any another language. So just try to stuck on the purpose. Okay, and a lot of people also meet you like, and they also saying to you, okay, we will continue on Hindi or any another language. Don't do that. Okay, because you don't forget to use that applications your purpose. When did you download that application? At that time you have remembered every time what is the purpose you are using those applications. And definitely if you just memorize your purpose, definitely you can improve a lot like me. Okay, I'm not saying that I'm really very good speaker in English, but I am also trying to really in English, and that's why I'm able to speak in English. That's why I'm YouTuber, blogger, influencer of you all. I have uploaded my all videos in English. It's not easy. To be honest, it's not piece of cake, but it's everything is possible if you want to do that. So don't stuck your mind and just memorize your mind, and just whatever you want to do, you can do. You want to make fun, you want to talk, you want to introduce, you want to learn. You can learn easily how to introduce yourself by that applications. Okay, and when you are really very confident to speak in English, while speaking, while replying, while asking the questions, it's mean that now you are able to come in the group discussions. Okay, means now you are able to put out your points on the topics. So just try to search on another application. Same here, I also did like that. After that I also used applications Hello Talk. Okay, Hello Talk, that was really interesting. by that applications you also can meet a lot of people easily. You also can meet from India, from your country as well, from another country as well. But thing is that I already told that your purpose should be with passions. Definitely you can do that. So by the Hello Talk, what I did and what I observed, that if you want to interact in one conversation and you want to interact, you also can put out your point, and you also can get your confidence in front side of many people, like 7, 8, 10, 15, 25, sometimes only 5% also in the group discussions. So just try to enter and just try to enter and just try to go in the group discussions. By that group discussions, if you are comfortable, just try to put out your point, whatever you want to, whatever you want to continue on the topic. Please just don't distract your mind, just stuck on the points of whatever you want to do, whatever you want to get a topic. Just try to focus on the topic and just try to speak easily. And all teachers teach you really supportive, supportive teachers, supportive good speaker you can meet easily. And that is, though they also will help you without any intention, without any paying. They will help you really very good or humble human beings. So Hello Talk is my second application. But what happened that during the Hello Talk, I couldn't use my phone till 3 months. Something happened, issues with me, so I didn't use my phone till 3 months. In this 15 months of English journey, I didn't use my phone continuously 3 months. I didn't speak even single calls to anyone. I didn't speak to my relatives, my friends, my online, my virtually friends, my applications friends as well. I didn't speak even single in English. Something is issues that I was disclosed after some time, when I just little bit comfortable. Definitely I will share with you those period as well. Okay, so I just use you can say after 5 months I just use a Hello Talk application. And by the Hello Talk applications, I also got many good friends like Parveen, Tarun, Fatima, Rohit sir, Kakashi. A lot of friends I also had got. A lot. They all really very humble. They all really very generous, and they all teach me how to speak in English, how to correct my English while they're speaking. And by that, when they will appreciate you, they will seriously, they push up to you, really you can be more and more confidence. You can believe on yourself. Now I can speak very confidently more and more in English. I can speak in front side of all. I don't have any issues while my English journey. So you also can get a lot of friends if your intention is really pure. And now come to the point of third applications. And third application, I just use my WhatsApp group. I just one friend also had met me on the Buddy Talk, and he also suggested to me that, teacher, you are really very passionate to learn English communication. You just try once and just try to enter into the WhatsApp group. By WhatsApp group, you cannot waste your time. Everyone are really very professional, and definitely everyone is a learner or good teacher as well. You can get easily by the WhatsApp group. So third pill in my life, in my English journey, WhatsApp group. I just entered a WhatsApp group one, and I just thought, oh my god, that was really amazing. By that WhatsApp group, I also can get conference call with a lot of participants. I also can got conference call on the WhatsApp by different place of different place peoples. Okay, so I just got a lot of steps which I really sufficient for me, like new vocabulary, idioms, reading passage, or pronunciation. I just got a lot of steps from the WhatsApp group. These actually those all our WhatsApp group is held it by Alina Reyes ma'am. Thank you so much, Alina ma'am. Thank you. And I really so much respect to you. Thank you so much, Alina ma'am. Thank you. So, and after that, I just use my fourth applications, Hello applications. Hello. But that time actually I didn't too much enjoy that application. I don't know. I didn't get how to use it, how to do that like that. So I just little bit use a Hello applications. Not too much, only one or two conversation. But what I just see that I didn't too much like. What can I say, familiar with that applications, no too much friendly. So I just installed that applications, Hello applications. Same here, I also used a lot many applications like Tapri applications or Link application, Link Go. Oh my god. And now yeah. And before 20 or 30 days I just got it a really amazing applications, really amazing application. If you want to be advanced, if you want to be update yourself in English communications, and you want to interact with the foreigner as well, with the Indians, with new states, and definitely you can get easily, you couldn't, you couldn't get you couldn't get easily your chance to speak in English. Like you will have to wait like 3 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, sometimes 30 minutes only, 20 minutes only, and you also can get the chance. You also can speak there very freely for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You can speak about you, what you want to do, and what is the purpose you have, what kind of, like there's a lot of topics you can get easily. And a lot of people also so much amazing speaker on the Clubhouse. So Clubhouse is my favorite applications till now, I can say, because of Clubhouse I also enjoyed a lot, like 4 hour or 5 hours. Like I didn't get the chance to speak because there's a lot of people you can get easily. You can listen a lot of conversation, how to interact with the people to each other, how to deal the people to each other, how to distribute knowledge about the topics. They are really absolutely awesome for you, and you also can listen easily. And when you just listen real native speaker, and that was really changed while speaking English. So for those I just can say that my favorite is Clubhouse application. And regarding it just I also recommended in my previous video, and which I showed with Ronak sir, and Telegram applications. And Telegram, you also can download the Telegram applications. You don't have need to share your number, you don't have need to your DP as well. If you are comfortable, you can share whatever you want to do. That your purpose should be a pure, okay. So you also can use a Telegram application. Telegram is similar like as a Hello Talk applications, okay. You also can what can I say, you also can get a lot of steps are there about the idioms, new vocabulary, phrases, stories, reading passage, pronunciation, reading books by the Kavi sir on the Telegram. You can get easily, okay. And now I didn't remember any left any how much I left any applications. No, not at all. Yeah, but I want to say only one thing. It's not meaning that how much applications you are downloading, how much applications you are using. It's really very important that if you distract your mind, definitely no one applications will help you. No one application is gonna help you. But your passions, your crazy mind, your your madness, definitely any applications will work in your life. You just see, I also didn't use my phone continuously 3 months, but within 3 months I didn't use not my phone. How can I think about my application as well without the phone? So in that 3 month of period, I also had read a lot newspaper only. I also had read newspaper on daily basis 12 or 13 pages. Can you believe that? But yeah, I did. So your purpose should be pure, and definitely you can speak whatever you want to speak, French, Germany, you want to do it. This is the kind of skills only, this is the kind of language only language you can speak. What your efforts, your dedications, your consistency should be there, and definitely you can speak. Right now I cannot say that I'm really very amazing speaker, but yeah, I'm really so much proud of myself, really proud of myself that right now I'm able to speak in English. Right now I can share my thoughts on my YouTube channel. I can interact with my audience as well. My audience can understand to me easily. It is really amazing things for me. It is a heaven period for me, and thank you so much God that giving me this period, 15 month of period. And because of English journey, I also had got many friends. And yeah, if you will say to me, and definitely I will, if you are really very serious to learn English communication and you don't know even single word in English, but you are really very passionate to speak in English, so of course I will recommend it a group on the Telegram, and that was really help you, gradually help you, and that was really amazing. And there is a Pritam sir is a owner on this Telegram, and he also conduct the meeting as well on daily basis 7 to 9, and he also guide to the people. He also given the topic, like he also provide the topic as well. Sometimes he also held picture summarizations and pronunciation session as well. On Sunday you are free, and you can enjoy on the Sunday on this applications on the group on the Telegram, which is conducted by Pritam sir. So that was really amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you. And please just try to enjoy this language. Don't be think that you are not able to speak in English. Today you cannot speak, but after sometimes when you will do really efforts, like whatever you are doing, you just do it. You just speak whatever you want to speak. Just speak in English, only in English. Don't be think you are speaking wrong or right. You are not good at English. You are not good at English. You are not good at grammar. You are not good at pronunciation. You are not good at new fancy words. You are not good at advanced structure. Don't be think, because this language is for you a new language. So for the things, this, if anything is new, so definitely you have to learn as a child, and when you will enjoy as a child, definitely everything is working in your life. So I hope you can understand what I want to say to you. For that things, bye. And definitely I just recommended the Telegram links in the description box. You can check it and you can enter if you want to join on that Telegram link as well. And that is by Pritam sir, and you can get a lot of participants are there. And of course you also can share whatever you want to share. You want to share your English stuff, educations, you want to share if you already had made your grammar stuff, and of course you also can share with the friends as well, and you also can discuss with them as well.